In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all of your videos in Kling AI. We'll move through a simple flow so you can quickly locate every video you've created or uploaded. Kling AI is a creative studio in your browser, and your videos live inside a central library called Assets. Once you know where that is and how to filter it, finding what you need becomes fast and reliable. Start by heading to the Kling AI website. From the homepage, select Try It Now. This takes you straight into the web app where your projects and files are managed. Give the page a moment to load fully so the interface and your media library can populate. Inside the app, look for the Assets section, typically visible in the main navigation. Click Assets to open your media library. This is your single place to view what you've made or added, including videos, images, and other materials. Think of it as your dashboard for everything you've worked on. To focus specifically on videos, use the Type filter. Open the Filter menu and choose Videos. The library will refresh and show only video items, which makes browsing much easier. If you ever feel like you're not seeing something you expect, clear the filter to return to all asset types, then reapply videos so nothing is unintentionally hidden. Next, refine your view by time using the Date screening filter. Open the Date filter and pick a range that matches when the videos were created or uploaded. You can use presets like recent days or weeks, or set a custom range if you have a specific time frame in mind. This is especially helpful if you're hunting for a particular batch from a known period, or if your library has grown large over time. If a video isn't appearing, widen the range to include older dates, then narrow it again once you've located what you need. You can combine both filters for precision. Set the type to videos, then apply a date range. This narrows your list to exactly the right set, saving you from scrolling through unrelated items. To see everything again, clear the date filter or reset it to show all dates. That's all there is to it. Go to the Kling AI site, click Try It Now, open Assets, filter by type to videos, and use date screening to zoom in on the right time frame. With these controls, you can instantly surface all of your videos whenever you need them. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your library with confidence.